Hey everybody, Va.Railfan here, coming to you from Norfolk, Virginia. Looks like we got an eastbound loaded coal train coming in, going to Lamberts Point. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Sorry about the shakiness, everybody. It's windy and I ain't got my tripod. Catching this one on my way to work. .4409 in the lead. 8,800. Love the sound of them locomotives. They got these cars loaded up. Moved a little bit so you can see better around the bend there. Well, it doesn't appear to be a double loaded, everybody. I see the end coming now. And there's the end, right there. All right, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. That eastbound load of coal going into Lamberts Point. Thank you for watching. See you down the rails.